My name's Josh. I'm with Rainy Day Restoration and Roofing, and I just want to take a minute and tell you about some of the roofing manufacturers that we work with. Certainteed, actually got a sample here. Certainteed is one of them. Another one is Atlas, Owens Corning, GAF, Tamco. We work with American brands that have been around for a long time. Also, when we put a new roof on, we're going to have a 5-year labor warranty. So if there's ever an issue, you call us. We've been in business since 1999. We're going to come out and take care of your issue. The shingles that we work with are asphalt composition shingles. They all have a lifetime limited warranty, which basically equals about a 50-year lifespan on the shingles. And they also are wind rated for 130 miles an hour. So if you're on top of a hill or don't have any kind of windbreak at all, you don't have to worry about it. The shingles are going to stay on your roof for a long time. We also use synthetic underlayment before we put the shingles on. This is an upgrade in technology. As you've driven around, you've probably seen houses that have the old black tar paper on top of it. It's the same concept. It keeps water from getting inside the house. But recently, the past 10 years or so, the manufacturers have started to use synthetics as well. And that's what we use. They last a lot longer. They're better for the crews to walk on. They don't tear, so we don't have to worry about leak problems once the shingles are on. Also in the valleys, we use something called ice and water shield. And this is a special membrane that keeps ice from melting and leaking into your house. Or if you've got a lot of trees in the area, it keeps leaves from damming up water and causing leaks in your home. Everything that we do on the roof is designed to keep it watertight. And we also have a lot of different styles to choose from. So this sample that I have here is the architectural shingle. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's made to simulate a wood shingle look. There's also shingles that have kind of a scalloped look, so that old European feel. 3-tab shingles and metal roofing and synthetic tile, lots of different options. So if there's something that you're looking for, give us a call.